Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download, install and log into your Truecaller app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing you need to do if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download the Truecaller app on your mobile device. So head over your Player App Store. Once you've done that, open up Truecaller. And then from here, you want to click on Get Started. And then you want to set Truecaller as your default caller ID and spam app, so you can set Truecaller your phone or none. So I'm just going to keep it as none. And now permissions, you got to enable the permissions here. So click on continue, click on allow, allow and allow, and allow again, all of them allow. And now this is where you can log in. So choose the correct email address. So for this one here, I'm going to click on Tutorial Is to log in and create an account. So doing this, so I'm logging in, but it's essentially going to create an account as well. So now I'm logging in, click on Agree and Continue. It's going to call your mobile number to verify. And once that is done, success, let's continue. Continue with Google. So I'm going to click on Continue with Google. And now I'm going to put my last name in here. So Wiz, continue. You can change your profile photo there as well if you'd like. So almost done. So set up live caller ID by enable draw over the apps in your system. You can do that now, go to settings, or you can do it maybe later. And now let's set up your assistant voice. So yeah, you can choose any one of these. So if you want to do Matthew, Elise, I want to choose Elise. Click on continue. Please select your carrier. So just go through these steps here, and then you've successfully created an account and logged into the Truecaller.